Helo a chroeso yn ôl bawb. Noswaith dda unwaith eto. Hello and welcome back everyone. Good evening once again. Lansio ymchwiliad I lofruddiaeth, dyn and dilyn digwyddiad, treisgar, mewn pentref. An investigation launched into the murder of a man following a violent incident in a village. Cyfres pedwar a phennod rhif, chant a cant a thri. Series 4 and episode number 353. Hei Lwli Mabi. Hei Lwli Mabi. It could be the translation. We don't know. We'll hear in a bit. Where are we? Heddiw yw dydd Sul yn 9 o Awst 2026. Today is Sunday, the 9th of August, 2026, ac mae hi'n 5 munud I 11 o hwyr. And it is 5 minutes to 11 p.m. Today's episode is about a lullaby in Welsh, or a lwli, one word for it, or another word is chwiangerdd. Chwiangerdd. That's the usual word for it. So today's episode is about a lullaby called Hei Lwli Mabi. Lots of choirs do it. It's a really good song. That's how I've found it. Look at the choir stuff. There's different versions of videos I've put on the web lesson. There's a David Iwan version. Different choirs. And then a little TV bit talking about it. Carol Parry-Jones as well, version by her. So the lyrics in the song are Hei Lwli Mabi, which doesn't really mean anything, but C can mean whisper, hey can mean like just an expression to fill out the song or the poem, or it can be like hey as well. That's what I've found so far. Lwli can be lullaby, and Mabi is a short of Mabi, my baby. So it's a kind of hush little baby kind of thing. Some people translate it as that. Some people like sleep my lovely baby. Some people just say it doesn't mean anything. It's just a phonetic, I don't know, do, re, mi type of thing. It's hey. But the lwli does appear in the dictionary, in the GPT one, as lullaby. So and C is a whisper. So I've done a translation that goes whisper, hey, lullaby my baby. It's not right, but it's just another go at it. Other people are having a go at it, so I'm going to go at it as well. But I've put the other translations there as well. But the rest of the song makes sense. So, Hei Lwli Mabi. Mae'r llong yn mynd I ffwrdd. The ship is going away. Hei Lwli Mabi. Mae'r captain ar y bwrdd. The captain is on board. Or the captain's on the deck, or the captain's on board. Whatever you want to think of that. Hei Lwli, Lwli lws. Cysga di fy mabi tlws. And that's Hei Lwli, Lwli lws, perhaps. Sleep, sleep my baby, or sleep my pretty baby, or sleep my pretty child, could be translated as that. But it's baby, baby. There's another song of Cysga di fy mlentyn tlws, something like that as well. That comes up in a few poems and songs. If I've not forgot. That means child in the place of baby in there. So carry on with the lyrics. Hei Lwli Mabi, mae'r llong yn mynd I ffwrdd. That comes round again. That's Hei Lwli my baby. The ship is going away. Hei Lwli Mabi, mae'r gwynt o'r dwyrain chwyth. Chwyth. Hei Lwli my baby, the winds blowing from the east. Hei Lwli Mabi, mae'r wlan ar ei nyth. Yeah. Hei Lwli my baby, the seagull's on her nest. Hei Lwli Lws, cysga di fy mabi tlws. Hei Lwli Lws. Oh, what was going on? Sleep, my pretty baby. Hei Lwli Mabi, mae'r gwynt o'r dwyrain chwyth. 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 The winds, Hei Lwli Mabi, the winds blowing from the east. So, some words thrown in today from the news, items, and the song. New words. Lofruddiaeth, murder. Soft mutation of lofruddiaeth. Laddwyd, there was killed. Soft mutation of laddwyd. This wyd end is a W-Y-D, means an impersonal past. So it's not a particular person like dysgais, I learned. It's not a particular pronoun, he, she, it, you, whatever. It's just there was. It's impersonal. Not got a pronoun that can go with it. Dorcalonis, heartbreaking, soft mutation of torcalonis. Lleiau, lleiau. 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 Decrease, less and reduce. So you got fly in then, high. This H-A-U word that's on a lot of verbs like parhau. That kind of word. Glanhau. Yeah, you know what I mean. Dedfrid, sentence, judgment, verdict. It's not a sentence like a brawddeg where you've got letters and words in a sentence. It's a sentence like going to prison. Sentence, judgment, verdict. Dedfrid. Ngwobrau, sorry. N-G-W-O-B-R-A-U. Ngwobrau. Awards, prizes, rewards. Nasal mutation of gwobrau. Cyfrifoldeb, responsibility, onus. Cyfrif is like count or account, and then cyfrifoldeb, taking it back to another type of noun. Cyfri is to count. Gwaddol, endowments, legacy, dowry. Hir dymor, long term. So tymor is term, here is long, stick them together, get a mutation. Hir dymor, long term. Lwli, lullaby. Mabi, baby, nasal mutation of babi. Captain is captain. Loose means loose, slack, lax, kind of words. Might not mean it in this song. It might just mean it's rhyming, just like mama, just playing with words and alliteration with the lwlis, or it might just be a nickname for Lwli, just messing about with that, making it rhythmic in the song. Cysga, sleep, from cysgu, it's command, second person, singular, imperative of cysgu. Tlws, gem, jewel, trinket, award, medal, trophy, or as an adjective, pretty, attractive. Probably because it looks like a gem, trinket, or award, or medal, or trophy. Yeah, you get the idea with that one. Chwyth, breath, or blow. Chwyth. Wylan, gull. Some people say seagull. I think it's just a gull, really, isn't it? I don't think a seagull is actual. It's just slang, I think. Not sure. Anyway, it means gull or seagull. Wylan. Soft mutation of gwylan. Neath. Nest. Like a bird's nest. They're the words for today. Going down to the news. Teulu bachgen a laddwyd yn dorcolonis ar ôl lleihau dedfryd gyrwr. Family of boy killed, heartbroken after driver's sentence reduced. Teulu bachgen a laddwyd yn dorcolonis ar ôl lleihau dedfryd gyrwr. Okay, so dorcolonis, there's calon in the middle, heartbroken. Dor, torri, dor. It's come from torcolonis, so tor is like to break, cut, torri. Put that with calon, tor calon, and then put US on the end to make it an adjective. Torcolonis, heartbroken. Interesting. Cymuned yng Ngwynedd am brynu tafarn I ddod ar pentref yn ôl at ei gilydd. A community in Gwynedd wants to buy a pub to bring the village back together. Cymuned yng Ngwynedd am brynu tafarn I ddod ar pentref yn ôl at ei gilydd. Mari Grig yn cipio tair gwobr yng ngwobrau podlediadau Cymraeg 2026. Mari Grig scoops 3 awards at the Welsh Podcast Awards 2026. Digwyddiad difrifol tan gwyllt yn heriol oherwydd y gwynt. Serious firework incidents challenging due to the wind. Cyfrifoldeb ar bawb I sicrhau gwaddol hir dymor yr Eisteddfod. Everyone has a responsibility to ensure the long-term legacy of the Eisteddfod. Cyfrifoldeb ar bawb I sicrhau gwaddol hir dymor yr Eisteddfod. And that's that. And then I've written another bit of a track song, musical mashed potato thing. It's coming up in a bit. Here are the words. Beth yw eich hoff hwiangerdd? What is your favourite lullaby? Rhywbeth i'ch helpu I gysgu. Something to help you sleep. Beth yw fy hoff rhan o'r gerdd? What is my most favourite part of the poem? Yr hoffwn ei ddysgu, that I would like to teach. Beth yw eich hoff flodeugerdd? What is your favourite anthology? Beth hoffwch chi ei gymysgu? What would you like to mix? Beth yw fy ffefryn o'r cyngerdd? What is my favourite from the concerts? Peth yr hoffwn ei ddysgu? A thing that I would like to learn. And here it is. Beth yw eich hoff hwiangerdd? Rhywbeth i'ch helpu I gysgu. Beth yw fy hoff rhan o'r gerdd? Yr hoffwn ei ddysgu. Beth yw eich hoff flodeugerdd? Beth hoffwch chi ei gymysgu? Beth yw fy ffefryn o'r gongerdd? Beth yr hoffwn ei ddysgu? Beth yw eich hoff hwyang gerdd? Rhywbeth i'ch helpu i gysgu. Beth yw fy hoff rhan o'r gerdd, yr hoffwn ei ddysgu? Beth yw eich hoff flodau gerdd? Beth hoffwch chi ei gymysgu? Beth yw fy ffefryn o'r gongerdd? Beth yr hoffwn ei ddysgu?